Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the fog light bulb and to remove the fog light housing and get to the bulb, use a plastic prying tool. You can get these from 1aauto.com. There's a tab on the top and bottom. I'm going to start with the top one, pry it down, and then pop it right out. It's only going to come so far because the harness, so there's a brown connector in there that's holding the harness in to the steel support in the back. And what you're going to have to do is reach in there and squeeze the two tabs and push the connector or push the clip out, and then you'll get a lot more wire to come out with you. So I'm going to reach my hand in here. It's a tight fit. I kind of squeeze it by, and then with my fingertips, I'm going to push the tabs in and push that clip out. You might have to push in on the housing to give the harness just a little bit of give, and then really push that thing through. But you don't want to rip your harness. You're trying to get the bulb out. Once you get it squeezed together and started, you can reach a long screwdriver in there and kind of push it out. Now, once you have the headlight, once you have the fog light assembly out and separated, you still can't get the bulb out because that stop is in the way, so you have to unplug it from the harness, push it in the lock, push the connector in, push it in the lock, pull it off. Fog light is held into the plastic bezel with one Phillips head screw. Take Phillips head screwdriver, take it out, slide it out of there, and there's the lens assembly. To reinstall it in the bezel, these two tabs are going to line up in these two notches over here. That slides down. Put the single screw back in here. Tighten it down. Don't go too tight. I don't want to crack the plastic. It's ready to be reinstalled in the truck. I'm going to plug the light into the harness. Click when it locks in place. I'm going to reach in here and plug that back into where it belongs. Push this into place. It's reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.